Imagine standing on the edge of a cliff, the wind whipping through your hair, the vast expanse of the ocean stretching out before you. Beneath you, turbulent waves crash against jagged rocks, a powerful reminder of the chaos you've left behind. Now, picture yourself taking a step back, away from the edge, away from the storm. What if I told you that this act of stepping away could be the most empowering decision you ever made? Welcome to the power of walking away, a journey into understanding how leaving behind what no longer serves you can transform your life. Stay with us as we explore the strength it takes to walk away and the incredible freedom that awaits on the other side. Walking away can be one of the most powerful decisions one can make. It signifies strength, self-respect, and the willingness to prioritize one's own well-being over external pressures and toxic situations. From relationships to careers and social obligations, the act of walking away is not about giving up, it's about choosing what's best for oneself. This essay explores the multifaceted nature of walking away, highlighting its importance, the courage it requires, and its transformative potential. Here are the importance of walking away. 1. Self-respect and dignity. Walking away often serves as a declaration of self-respect. It signifies that one values oneself enough to leave situations that are harmful, unfulfilling, or disrespectful. When individuals walk away from toxic relationships or demeaning work environments, they are asserting their worth and refusing to be treated less than they deserve. 2. Mental and emotional health. Staying in negative situations can take a toll on one's mental and emotional health. Constant stress, anxiety, and unhappiness can lead to severe psychological issues. Walking away from such circumstances is a proactive step towards mental well-being. It allows individuals to seek environments that foster positivity and growth, contributing to overall happiness and mental stability. 3. Personal growth. Walking away can be a catalyst for personal growth. It provides the space to reflect on one's values, desires, and aspirations. By removing oneself from stifling environments, individuals can rediscover their passions and pursue new opportunities that align with their true selves. This journey of self-discovery and growth is often obstructed when one remains in unsuitable situations. Walking away takes a lot of challenges and courage. One may have to face the following to successfully leave behind what no longer serves you. 1. Facing fear. Walking away requires confronting and overcoming fear. Fear of the unknown, fear of judgment, and fear of failure can make leaving difficult. However, embracing these fears and choosing to walk away despite them is an act of courage. It demonstrates confidence in one's ability to navigate uncertainty and belief in the possibility of a better future. 2. Breaking social norms. Society often imposes expectations and norms that discourage walking away. Whether it's the pressure to stay in a long-term relationship, conform to career paths, or adhere to social obligations, defying these norms can be challenging. Walking away in the face of societal pressure showcases immense bravery and a commitment to authentic living. 3. Letting go. Emotional attachment can make walking away heart-wrenching. Letting go of people, places, or situations that once brought joy is never easy. However, understanding that letting go is sometimes necessary for one's well-being and future happiness is crucial. This realization requires inner strength and the ability to prioritize long-term benefits over short-term comfort. Here are the transformative potentials of walking away. 1. Reclaiming power. Walking away is a powerful means of reclaiming control over one's life. It shifts the power dynamic, placing the individual back in the driver's seat. Instead of being subjected to external circumstances, walking away empowers one to make decisions that align with their values and goals. This reclamation of power is crucial for personal autonomy and fulfillment. 2. Opening new opportunities. Leaving behind what no longer serves opens the door to new opportunities. When one walks away from a stagnant job, it creates space for career advancement, new ventures, or further education. Similarly, ending a toxic relationship paves the way for healthier connections and personal healing. These new opportunities often lead to enhanced satisfaction and success. 3. Setting boundaries. Walking away helps in establishing and reinforcing personal boundaries. It sends a clear message about what is acceptable and what is not, both to oneself and others. This act of boundary setting is essential for maintaining healthy relationships and environments. It teaches others to respect one's limits and helps prevent future instances of overstepping or mistreatment. Here is the process of walking away. 1. Self-reflection. The first step in walking away is self-reflection. Understanding why a situation is no longer suitable requires introspection. This involves assessing one's values, needs, and long-term goals. By clearly identifying what is no longer working, individuals can make informed decisions about what needs to change. 2. Planning. Walking away is often not an impulsive decision but a well-thought-out process. It involves planning for the transition, whether it's finding a new job before leaving an old one or securing a support system before ending a relationship. Effective planning ensures a smoother transition and reduces the fear associated with change. 3. Communication. In many cases, communicating the decision to walk away is crucial. This communication should be honest and respectful, whether it's informing an employer, a partner, or friends and family. Clear communication helps in setting expectations and can often make the process less contentious. 4. Self-care. Walking away can be emotionally taxing. Practicing self-care during and after the transition is essential. This includes engaging in activities that bring joy, relaxation, and fulfillment. Self-care helps in healing and rebuilding after leaving behind what no longer serves. Walking away comes with its benefits. Here are the long-term benefits of walking away. 1. Enhanced well-being. The primary benefit of walking away is enhanced well-being. By removing oneself from harmful or unfulfilling situations, individuals experience improved mental and emotional health. This positive shift contributes to overall life satisfaction and happiness. 2. Stronger relationships. Walking away from toxic relationships makes room for healthier connections. It allows individuals to form relationships based on mutual respect, understanding, and shared values. These stronger relationships contribute to a supportive and enriching social network. 3. Career fulfillment. Professionally, walking away from unsatisfactory jobs can lead to greater career fulfillment. It encourages individuals to seek out roles that are more aligned with their skills, interests, and values. This alignment often results in increased job satisfaction, productivity, and success. 4. Personal empowerment. Ultimately, walking away is an act of personal empowerment. It reinforces the belief that one has control over their life and can make decisions that lead to happiness and fulfillment. This sense of empowerment is a foundation for a confident and self-directed life. Finally, the power of walking away lies in its ability to transform lives. It is an assertion of self-respect, a commitment to mental and emotional health, and a pathway to personal growth. While it requires courage and often goes against societal norms, the long-term benefits of walking away from what no longer serves are profound. It empowers individuals to reclaim control, open new opportunities, and establish healthy boundaries. Through self-reflection, planning, communication, support, and self-care, the process of walking away can lead to enhanced well-being, stronger relationships, and greater career fulfillment. Embracing the power of walking away is ultimately about choosing to live authentically and prioritizing one's own happiness and growth. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.